Dear all, welcome for today's session. Today's session is based on what are different types of emotions. I'm Sunita, your trainer, welcoming all. As we have already discussed, what do you mean by emotions? Today we are going to discuss what are different types of emotions. Uh, by layman's approach or by common man's viewpoint, there are two types of emotions. One is negative and second is positive. What are negative emotions? The emotions like anger, disappointment, or you can say tension, anxiety, stress. These are the negative emotions which imbalances us, which imbalance our personality, which negatively impact our productivity. And positive emotions are joy, discipline, focus. These are all positive emotions which come out of your basic emotions. If you are happy, you are focused. If you are joyful, you are more productive. Then if you are smiling, this keeps you more productive, more balanced. As per psychology, there are seven basics. As we know, seven colors in rainbow, 7 days in week. Same way, there are seven basic emotions, which are, the first is anger. As we all know, so many of us throughout day we get irritable, we get annoyed, we do feel angry on different things. But how much, and for you know uh, what will be the duration of it, under how much time will be under anger, that should be noticed by us. Throughout day we come across with positive and negative emotions, but these emotions, how much they are with us, for how much period, that is most important. If we are angry throughout day, that means we are actually losing on that day. Same way, our life. Anger is the basic feeling, emotions. Second is happiness. How much we keep ourselves happy, how we are, creating happiness around us, how much we are enjoying happiness around us, how much we are happy while working, while treating others, while creating relationship, while making our life efforts. So happiness is also a basic emotion, and this is a positive emotion. If we are under the impact of positive emotions, we are more productive, we are more able to coordinate well with people, we are very good in our communication, we are more focused, we are disciplined, we are punctual. Positive emotions give you so many versions of your personality. So mind, whether you are under negative emotion or positive emotion. If you are under positive emotion, then you are towards more happiness. Then fear is also one of basic emotion. So many times uh, we can see in many people that they are unrealistic fear are there, like what will happen, um, how will thing day pass, what that person may say, how can I will be standing alone, what if stranger comes inside. So many unrealistic fear are there, and sometimes maybe realistic fear is also there. But under that fear, how much time you are, if you are dominated by fear, then your personality will be so sluggish. You will be dull, you will not you will not be able to take a initiative to talk with somebody, to open up with somebody. So many things will be there that just because of fear you miss so many opportunities, and so many relations in your life. Then come disgust. Many times it is observed that people do wrong things, which is opposite to their values, opposite to their life mantras, and then they are below burden of this wrong did, or you can say just opposite to their life. They do things and they feel themselves so bad, they feel not worthy of life or living, and that's a disgusting feeling. So disgust is also a negative emotion. Then surprise means every time you are excited for welcoming new situation, new condition, new people. You are very exciting for work, you are exciting to see somebody, to talk with somebody, to observe the things around you. So this is a very positive emotion, and it gives you more energy, it gives you more focus. Then comes love. Yeah, we are talking about compassion. How much you are in love with yourself, the first thing. Then comes with others, with your family, with your work, with your company. So many. If you are in love, that means it's a positive emotion for you. And if you are in positive emotion, your behavior percolates it. Your behavior will be more caring, more trustworthy. You will build up great relationship with people, with work, with your team. So many, you'll be really performing and productive. You'll be very focused if you are in love with your work. If you are really in love with your family and friends, you'll be more caring towards everybody. So that way, these seven emotions are basic emotions that we go through uh, daily, or maybe weekly, monthly, yearly. So under these emotions, which emotions we are into for more time, for long hours, long duration, or long days, or long months and years, that talks about our personality. Keep a check. If negative emotion comes, just control it. Think about the precaution, think about the remedies, think about how to come out of it, how much time to be given to think about that. Just close the door for negative emotion, and just jump, reshape yourself, your mind, towards the positive emotions. And that can be done with so many things like exercise, meditation, talking with the loved ones, doing your work, not sitting idle. So many ways are there. Listening great music, just not even doing your work which you love most. So many things are there. So keep a check whether you are in a negative emotion zone or a positive emotion. If you are in positive emotion, more of positive emotion, then you are more productive, you are more worthy, you are more joyful, you are more happy. And if you are in negative emotion zone, it's really difficult for you. You are more anxious, you are under anxiety, tension, stress, and that really cuts down your energy, cut down your focus, and you are not able to establish relationship, good relation, strong relationship with yourself, with others. So we had already talked about how emotions, what are emotions, and how they impact our behavior. And in coming session, we are going to discuss it individually, how each emotion affects us, and how it has an impact on our day-to-day life and our behavior. So thank you very much. I hope you are enjoying this session, and I'm putting my best to make it more and more simple. I want you to explore this wonderful subject of emotional intelligence, and I'm going just part wise so that I want you to connect with this topic uh, as easily as you can. Thank you for keeping uh, this great association with me. Do share, subscribe, and let's be uh, associate with this. Thank you.